This video is brought to you by Mahalakshmi Jewelers, Mobile Master, Moghal Darbar, Frespresso Coffee Shop, New Sun Fabrics Clothes Store, and by Madina Chicken World. This video is brought to you by Mahalakshmi Jewelers, Mobile Master, Moghal Darbar, Frespresso Coffee Shop, New Sun Fabrics Clothes Store, and by Madina Chicken World.
हम सब 7 ग्रुप्स मिलके ये एक फर्स्ट टाइम वुमेन्स का एक वॉकेथॉन रखा है। सबसे बड़ा वॉकेथॉन है। आज 15 अगस्त के उपलक्ष्य में यह प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया था, जिसमें हम लोगों को मैसेज देना चाहते हैं कि वो अपनी आंखें, अमूल्य आंखें डोनेट करें और अपने मरणों उपरांत किसी और की दुनिया रंगीन बनाए। नेत्रदान महादान, नेत्रदान सर्वश्रेष्ठ दान।
Behind that is the pupil, which is the black part of the eye. Behind that is the retina, and this is the optic nerve. So the light comes from this direction and goes to the optic nerve and to the brain, so that we get the vision, clear vision. I thank the organizing team for giving me this opportunity to speak about eye donation and inform the few facts which are associated with it.
For the first time in the city of Gulbarga, 7 women's organizations have come together for a very noble cause of pledging their eyes for donation. This is a very noble cause for which they have all come together. They had organized for a walkathon right from Mini Vidhan Sauda till Jagat Circle and then returning to this Rotary Club. I really appreciate this move that has been taken about only by the women, with no support of even the security all along the roads that we were moving on. So this was one occasion where we could showcase how women can take lead and take the cause of some social concerns which would be of a great help to the society. So I congratulate all the members and the participants of this walkathon and all the organizers of this eye donation drive, and also at the same time the Hyderabad Karnataka Education Society as well as the Basveshwar Hospital and their manpower who have volunteered to come forward to enroll the registrations for eye donation camp. Thank you.
This video is brought to you by Mahalakshmi Jewelers, Mobile Master, Mughal Darbar, Frespresso Coffee Shop, New Sun Fabrics Clothes Store, and by Madina Chicken World.